Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be making some blooms today. Let's see, I've got a little cup with stones. I get a little resin out of here. Oh my gosh. I can hear my husband watching TV. I can hear the TV in there. So I'm sorry if you can too. I've tried to get him to make blooms with me before, but he does not, so. My son did mix up some resin the other day though, right before he went to work, and he said, "This could be fun, Mom." And I said, "Believe me, it is." So I might be able to get him to pour some resin with me sometime, which would be pretty fun. Okay, I'm gonna get some stones in here. Hopefully I get it in the middle. Quite a bit. Oh, oh my gosh. Oops. Looks like, I've never eaten caviar, but it kind of looks like a, could be. I like these little stones, but oh my gosh. You talk about bubble maker. You gotta babysit them for a minute. That's going a little. Oh my gosh, it's totally doing its own thing. I'm gonna leave it alone for a minute and see what it does. Okay, now this. Okay. Oh. Darn it. I don't know if I can fix that or not. Okay, I'm stopping right there. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Sorry about that. That was pretty nuts. Gosh darn, that's terrible. Cherry. Mango. These are decorum colors. This is a medium yellow by Let's Resin. This is a lemon yellow by Let's Resin. Then we're gonna do a little more, a couple little more mangoes. Okay. Bummer. Okay. It's 72.5 degrees in this room right now. I decanted my white at 92. 0.1. And then I've been jacking around this whole time, so you know it's literally went up since then. Oh my gosh. Okay. I still can't get over the fact that my stones went wonky. Okay, let's see. Oh gosh. These ends I'm just pulling around and in. I'm using Jdiction resin, did I tell you? And casting craft for my white. Oh no, I dropped something. Where at? I'm gonna have to try to find it in a second.
If those aren't laundry, we put it in the dryer.
Yeah, man. Okay, where'd I put them? Oh, there's a little toothpick. Okay. Same with these. I'm gonna draw them in. I'm sorry, I think my head just bumped the camera. I love these colors together. I don't know about you. It kind of reminds me of a bright summertime, you know, nice hot summer day. You know, I'm so thankful it's summertime and not cold in winter. Don't get me wrong, I like winter after, you know, a long hot summer. Okay, now I'm putting dots. In the curves. I'm trying not to shake, but I know I am. I did one earlier with casting craft, and then I did another one with Etter Art White. And they both turned out really well. I'm trying not to be so dang slow. Some of these can have 2 dots, and some of them seem to only be able to hold 1. They're closing pretty fast. And I'm being slow, so. Oh, nice. Do I got them everywhere? I do, almost. Right here. Wow. this will hold any. There's not a lot of white in the middle. But everything's gonna pull in. So if I had a lot more white, I'd be super worried about getting a whole bunch out. But since there's not much white at all, I'm barely gonna get any out. Goodness gracious. My plunger don't want to work very well. Ooh. Oh, come on, Amy. I learned this from Julie at Pouring Your Heart Out. Very good tip, which, in all honesty, I don't know if I needed even, I mean, hold on, and I'm going to show you what came out. I mean, barely any. I literally got barely. I'm going to let these bloom. I'm going to have to get some of them bubbles out in a minute. So I'll keep an eye on that. This one's blooming really nice. And this one's blooming, but it's not pulling down my dots yet. Don't want to burn my mold. Going crazy with it. But I do see something right here. Okay. Leave it alone. Okay, I'm probably just going to put a black back on these. Sweet. After I show you these, I'll show you the ones I did yesterday. Or earlier today, should I say. So, yeah, awesome. I hope they turn out great. Well, we will see. I'm gonna let these sit and I will see you in the morning. Bye. All right, let's take a look at these. All right. I didn't fill this one all the way full, which is fine. Oh, wow, cool. Love it. That turned out freaking awesome, even though I had some flyaways. Goodness gracious. Nice. Okay, hope it worked out well too. Nice. Love it. Heck yeah. Anytime I can avoid blobs right around there is a plus. And I love it. It turned out great. Sweet. All right, guys. I hope you make this. All right, hold on. Before I go, I'm going to show you the ones I'd already made. Same colors. This one did have a couple blobs right there and there. I did the same pattern, but yet I pulled up with a toothpick. This was with the Etter Art white. And then this one, yeah, I mean, sorry, with the casting craft. Anyway, I'm super happy about it. I think they turned out amazing, and I love it. All right, guys, have a super amazing day. See ya.